When selling your home, one of the first discussion with your agent should be about how much access you want to grant the potential buyers, and establish clear guidelines for showing and open houses. Ensure a smooth process that aligns with your preferences and schedules. Here are key points to consider. Availability. Share your preferred times for showing and open houses. Privacy. Discuss your preferences regarding being present during showing or not, which I think is not. Security. Consider security measures such as requiring appointments or using a secure lockbox. By addressing these factors, you can ensure a successful home selling experience tailored to your needs. For more information, reach out to me. My name is Peter Taylor with the Northwest RE Realty Group, broker by eXp Realty.